Now let's see the image. Image means it is a point where at least two light rays actually meet or appear to meet. Then it is considered as an image. Image means if some of the two ray it meet at the particular point, then it considered as an image. According to image, it is divided into two types, the real image and the virtual image. The first one, that is of real image, it formed when the light rays actually meet. Then it considered is a real image that can be obtained on the screen. If the image is real, then we can obtain it on the screen. And the third one, that is, it is always in inverted form. Means we get it as a inverted. The second one, that is of virtual. Then it forms when light ray appear to meet. Means it is not actually meet, but it is appear to meet. Then it called as a virtual image, and it can't be obtained on screen. And the third one, that is, it is always in erect form. The virtual image, its light ray appear to meet, can't be obtained on the screen, and it is always erect form. Means it is always we find in a erect form. Now after the types of image, we will see how the image is formed on the plane mirror. Here you can see this is the plane mirror. Here the polish is this way, and this is the object. We draw one ray from the mirror, from the object to mirror. If it is strike on the mirror, it is go back to same pathway. This pathway. This is ray go to the plane mirror here and also back same direction. Now one more ray which is draw. It is here. Have whatever the angle which is made by here, that same angle which is occur in the reflected ray. Here one ray that is came from the this suppose this is a 45, then it is also 45. So where it is meet, if you draw it long, then it does not meet. You can see here. अगर हम इसको लंबाएंगे भी नीचे की ओर भी और तो भी वो कहीं पे भी मिलेगी नहीं. Then what we have to do? We have to, it is formed at the opposite side. Suppose we draw like this and we draw the imaginary line, then we get over here. If we draw this imaginary line over here, then we get this image. So this is the virtual image, and it is from the erect. We get this erect. So let's see the characteristic of the image. If it is plane mirror, then it is a virtual and the erect. Virtual means आभासी. Actual में नहीं होगा, हमें ऐसा आभास होगा. And erect means सीधा, वो हमें सीधा मिलेगा. The second one, that is equal to the object. Here you can see size of the image, it is the same as the object, and it is behind the same distance as the object. From the mirror, the whatever the distance between the mirror and the object, suppose it is a 1 meter, then also the image that we find, it is also we find the 1 meter, and it is a literally inverted. Inverted means we get the left portion as a right and right portion as a left. So this is the image on the plane mirror. So it is a virtual and erect, equal to the object, behind same distance as the object, and it is a laterally inverted. We will see in detail the lateral inverted image. It is apparent a reversal of the mirror image left and the right when the compare with the object. Here you can see this kind of image is called the lateral inversion. This is the mirror. Here the green board is written. So here you can see the G is over here. It's a right side. So it is when we get in the image, then it is look like this. Whatever the right side that we see at the left side, and whatever the left side that we see in the right side. This form the reversible image. Here you can see in the ambulance, you can write down, you can see here the ambulance is right down in a this way, but in the mirror we can see it as a erect one. So it is used in the ambulance. After seeing the plane mirror, we will see the spherical mirror, means it is a sphere in shape, means golakal shape. How it is made, let's see. This is one spherical ball. If we are cut it down from here and the here, then we get the spherical mirror. The spherical mirror center of this spherical mirror, that is called the pole, and it is denoted by the P. And the sphere center, that is called the C, means the center of the curvature. It is denoted by the C. And the boundary of this spherical means the from the C to this, means the radius of this spherical, that is called the R, that is denoted by the radius R. The next one, that is a focus, means the distance between, or you can say the half of the C and the P, that is called the focus. Half of the radius, that is called the focus. If we keep this object from the beyond the C, then we have to make a two rays. One ray that is of parallel to principal axis, and the another one that is of from the center of the curvature. So the one ray that is of parallel to the principal axis, that is passed from the F, means the focus, and the one that is passed from the C, means the center of curvature. So it is go, means it is reflected back at the same path. Where this both the ray meet, it is meet at this point. So this is called the image. So we get the image on the position between the C and the F. Here you can see the position of the image, that is of between the C and F, and the nature, that is of real and the inverted. Here the actual ray is meet, so it is a real, and here you can see it is a inverted, and the size here you can compare. The size we get, that is of small in size. And the size third, let's see the third case. In that the object is at the C. If we put the object on the C, then let's make a ray diagram. The one that is of the parallel, and second one that is from the focus through. So